Hello everyone, I am back with another amazing question. The question is if 3's power 3 plus 3's power 3 plus 3's power 3 is equal to which number? 9's power 3, 3's power 9, 9's power 9 or 3's power 4. So let's check it out that what will be the answer. We have a situation 3's power 3 plus 3's power 3 plus 3's power 3. So we have all the bases are same, so we can say that 3's power 3 is taking common. So the remaining one will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. We are taking 3's power 3 common from all terms and we have remaining 1 plus 1 plus 1 in all terms. So it can be right as 3's power 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be equivalent to 3. Now over here we don't have any power of 3, which means this 3 is having a power 1. So we can say that 3's power 3 is multiplying by 3's power 1. And we know that we have a formula if the bases are same and powers are both are multiplying to each other, so we can write them like this. So we have to add the bases. So 3's power 3 plus 1 is equals to 3's power 4, which means option D is the right answer. Hope you like it. Please share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.